Hey everybody, welcome to Phil's house. Finally got some time off of work, so it's time to uncover the mysteries of this little haunted shadow right here. Let's see what we can find out about it. See what we need to do to get her fixed back up and back around again, hopefully. So, follow the journey. So, got us a little seat pad here. No idea if that's original, if it come off something else. I think it's probably original, but there's no lock or anything on it, just pops in there. So I'm probably gonna go with a different seat altogether and go for Springer, since we are rigid. At least want something for suspension cushion. This thing hurts my back just sitting in the driveway, so I don't think we're gonna keep this. The original owner installed a start button up underneath the seat, so you can just push in underneath the frame and start the bike. This is quite crusty and not made to be waterproof, so if I keep that, I'll probably get a different button to go down there, or figure out something different entirely. Aside from that, also don't have any turn signals on this bike, so that'll probably be in this little mangle of wires here. And I do want this to be fully street legal time I'm done, so I'll probably put some different turn signals on it and whatnot. And of course I also don't have a key, so I did buy a kit off Amazon, which is a new on-off key switch. Places this, new gas cap, and it's also got the helmet locks and all that good stuff. So this thing will be rekeyed all the way by the time I'm done. Gauge cluster. I got a speedo, but I don't know if that odometer is salvageable at all. It looks like it might be broken on the inside, which would suck if this is a 6,000 mile bike and I can't prove it, but being it's an old shadow chopper, it really doesn't matter at this point anyway. So we're just kind of gonna roll with what we got. This stage of ownership of a custom motorcycle is a endless stage of discovery. Don't know what the original person who had it was thinking when they did things to it, and don't know why they were done in the first place. So one of these instances is a switch in this side cover that has no connections that run to it. It's just kind of here. Why it's here, who knows? So that's part of the adventure of discovery right there, folks. No, I'm not consulting a factory source manual for disassembly, but you work on one Japanese bike, you probably pretty much worked on them all. They might not all be constructed the same, built the same, but they're gonna all use the same ideas when they're doing it. This is very similar to how my Vulcan comes apart. Go figure. Too bad though, this black isn't bad looking, but we got some spots where rust took hold. So up underneath Bondo it looks like. So it looks like we'll be doing us another half-ass paint job. Oh well. Maybe I'll get lucky. Probably not. Not. I do like how this petcock is easy to reach. Fuel lines right there. That's kind of nice. Most bikes I've had is always a struggle to get in here to do this. And yeah, I think I need to put some new rubber on this thing because this is crusty. And yeah, probably new filter too, I would assume. And yeah, I guess this does run a fuel pump like the old Shadow too. I used to have a 87 Honda Shadow. Totally different animal from this one, but I do see a few similarities. Well, speaking of crusty, yeah, that's the thing. Got gas in it. Yeah, that's always good when petcock is frozen. That's great. Well, good news, this is really light, so it must be empty. Yeah, she's empty. So that can be good or bad. No, petcock is simple enough on this. Just a threaded plumbing fitting, basically. So that's cool. And the bottom of the tank's not rusted out, so that's good. Just need to open it up and see what it actually looks like. Hopefully she's good enough. Looks like we do have remnants of the factory airbox attached to this still. That's good. The other Shadow I had was really temperamental with not having the boots on it. It didn't want to flow right for shit going in those carburetors. So that's good. I have no idea why this little chrome piece is here. Seems to serve no real purpose whatsoever. Half-ass blocking the look at the carburetor, I guess. Guess they figured they were going to dress up that part one way or another. Yeah, throttle stuck, choke stuck. She's probably a little bit crusty in there, unfortunately. But I do know the engine does spin, so that's a good thing. Rubber is still good on my coolant hose here, at least. This is crusty. Guess that's some kind of breather. Unless it's a coolant return. That's a possibility too. Look at my radiator cap. It's moist. That's good. Well, that's a shame. My intake is busted. Guess the Thunder intake won't be bringing Thunder today. Oh well. Like I said, discoveries. It's like some instant gasket all around here. I don't know how the factory airbox was on these. If this is made for this bike or if it's all aftermarket. Rigged up for a Harley, I don't know. Pull these cosmetic covers off here, see what we're working with actually. It can look good later. I want to see that engine. It's like Honda's already trying to be crafty with it to make it look like it's air cooled when it's actually water. This actual engine looks like it's behind some fake fins. And you just got your standard water cooled motor back here. Interesting. And looks like I was mistaken. This is a quad plug motor, I do believe. They just hid the other set of coils and wires. This plastic chrome should clean up pretty good at least. I suppose if I felt so inclined, I could even take these covers off and clean them up real good. If I felt so inclined. I'm not sure yet if I do. Some things are best left alone. I'm figuring out which way this thing wants to come out of frame. How's it going? Happy New Year. Same to you. tight. That's doable. Okay. Doohickey. Attach these carburetors. That's electronic. Look and see what that's for.